What's up you guys, it's Alan and I'm back with another video. Like you can see from the box, it's an Allen Iverson, the i3, his signature, and of course Reebok Classic. And the box is pretty beat up. That's a bummer, but hey, I don't care, because inside we've got the Emanuel collab Answer 5 merch. Now you must know that growing up, I didn't know much about Allen Iverson except that his first name and my name matched, and also the spellings and all of that. So for me, I'd walk into a Reebok store and pick up Allen Iverson merch only because it either said the answer or because it had his name written on the merchandise, and I would want to wear stuff. I mean, a branded, good quality product with my name on it. And that's all that I knew about Allen Iverson. I knew that he was the answer. I knew he was called Baba Chuck, but nothing more than that. That he's iconic and all of that is things that I learned eventually with the advent of internet. Alright, let's get back into the merch and the sneaker, because man, they're banging and they're popping too. Alright, so you can see that i3 is usually like, it's got an I and it's got the number 3 over there, but this time, since it's a collab with Emanuel and that's his logo, 2 E's, the first time ever an Allen Iverson product has had a further customization or a change to it. Now this one's like a crop jersey, like a football jersey, so it's short, and on the back you have Emanuel and the number 3 right there. But now the shoes, man, these are absolutely bananas, man. I mean, yeah, I mean yellow, so bananas, but the quality on these joints, can you see the leather creasing there? It's so soft. Look at that. Damn. Now I've never had a pair of any of the either the question or any of the answers. This is my first ever pair, so I can't really tell you how they match up to the original. But like you can see here on the outsole, you have the i3 logo here, DMX with the cushioning technology right there. I'm not sure if you can see, but that there is the Allen Iverson signature. An all white sail kind of an outsole, a lot of rubber, and of course the silver head that then goes on to the midsole but then turns into the leather shroud. This entire shroud is like a lockdown kind of thing. The midsole again carries on like on the outsole. You have a fair bit of sail, off-white colors, and this shiny metallic silver on the midsole. You have the DMX branding right here at the part that then transforms into your leather shroud. The leather shroud has the laces going from under them, very minimal lace loops, but man, I can't stop talking about this leather. You see that? Shit, so good. Okay, going on, what else do we have? You have your i3 logo right there. Like you can see, it has the Emanuel branding on it as well. This back strap, I don't think it's functional. It doesn't improve your lockdown or whatever. We have this back strap. I don't know if you can tell, but right here it says Iverson at the end of that back strap. So the upper is all leather. The tongue's got like a mesh kind of finish, much like on the jersey, and of course the i3 with the Emanuel branding right here, hit on the tongue. On the heel area you have this perforated kind of a leather support for your heel. Let's see on the inside really. On the inside, on the insole, you have a nice navy insole, much like on the heel support and the Emanuel branding. And there you go, I push down the entire tongue. You can see the entire tongue is like a cushioned mesh kind of finish, and it's got this kind of an elasticated band on the side, on both sides. And yeah, the Answer 5s also came out in their classic OG colorway, which was the red and white. But that's about it, you guys. The Answer 5s being retroed after such a long time. I'm going to put a crazy fit with this together, and I'm going to have the pictures up on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram already, you should. I should also let you guys know that the Emanuel Answer 5s actually dropped during ComplexCon. And following the ComplexCon drop, it also had a limited release globally, and this pair comes to India today, which is the 23rd of August. And I'm lucky, so shout out to the guys at Reebok Classics India. They sent me this pair pre-release to wear, and I am so damn pumped, kicked. Yeah, you see that pun? I wasn't thinking about it, but dad jokes, gotta do it. It's the first time ever that an Allen Iverson sneaker has been collabed, so I would recommend you pick it up. Also, if you aren't really into the game, this is still a popping color. Bananas. And look at that silhouette, it's unlike anything. So that's about it for these Answer 5s, the Allen Iversons. I'm gonna now slip these bad boys on feet to show you what they look like. In the meanwhile, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you're already a subscriber, make sure to hit that bell icon so you always know when I put up a new video. And of course, give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one, you guys. Peace.